Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In today's video I am going to show you how you can download and install ChatGPT on your phone. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video. First open Google Chrome or any browser you like. Search ChatGPT on it. Click on the first link. I will give you link in description. Scroll down little and click on Try ChatGPT button. Sign in to ChatGPT, or if you have account already, just log in. I have account there already, so let me click on login, or log in with your email or Gmail account. Okay, now ChatGPT is open now. I have switched to dark mode. You can use it by your preference. Let's type something and ask ChatGPT. So this is how you can use ChatGPT in your Android and also iPhones. Let me ask something more. From the left menu, you can see your chats are saving, and next time when you logged in again, you can continue your conversation. Okay, now last thing, add ChatGPT icon on your home screen, so that you don't have to search ChatGPT and open from link when you open next time. As you can see, shortcut is created, and next time, I will directly open ChatGPT by clicking on this icon. That's it for now. Hope you like the video. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel, push bell notification also. See you next time.